I got it. Woo! Can you reach the other one?
I can't.
You gotta swing.
I can't. Or you can just reach. Watch me watch me. On my first start, I just was on that, and then I'm still on there, reaching together. Oh, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Yep. William, don't swing. Just keep your tippy toes on there.
Both on this one, buddy. Both on that. There you go. Now reach for the other one. Reach with one hand.
I can't.
But you gotta swing.
I can't.
Okay. You don't have to do it.
I want to try